Hello, lovely children. I am Kritika, your English educator. In the previous video from our book Purvi of Grade 6, Unit 5, Culture and Tradition, we did the reading and the explanation of our poem Kite. Now, we'll be doing few exercises from the chapter and let's just find out how much we have actually understood our poem. Okay? So, the activity says that read the poem again. And as you read it, you need to mark these true and false. As far as I remember, we've done this poem like really well. So I don't think we need to read it again because I'm sure you all have read it once, right? So now let's quickly start with the true and false and let's find out how much we have understood what Daphne Lister wanted to say in the poem. The child is looking at the kites. The child is looking at the kites. Yes, the child is looking at the kites. The kites look like birds of different colors. Yes, the kites were looking like different colored birds. It was a rainy day. No, beta, it was a windy day. The child wants to be like a kite. Yes, the child wanted to be like a kite so he can also feel like a bird flying in the sky. The child wishes to climb on a kite. Yes, the poet or the child says that if I am not able to be a kite, I would at least want to climb on the kite and sail in the sky. The kite is made of cloth and plastic. No, beta. If it is made up of cloth and plastic, it will never be able to fly in the sky because it will be very heavy. The child wants to ride the kite. Yes, the child wants to get on the kite and ride it and sail in the sky. The child knows they would have fun. Yes, if obviously you're going to fly in the sky, feel that freedom, you will obviously have that fun. Okay, we still have few true and false left. Let's do them. The next is the child wants to look at the kite from the rooftop. Do you think the child would want to stand on the rooftop and look at the kites? No, he actually wanted to ride the kite. The child would like to look at the people down below. Did he want to sail in the sky and look at the people down below? Yes, he wanted to do that. Also, the next one is the child knows that the people would stare. क्या उसको पता था कि लोग उसको घूरेंगे if he is flying in the sky? Yes. So this one is our true, this one is our true, and this one is our false. Okay. Now we're done with the true and false. We'll do the next activity. Okay. Complete the following sentences. The poet says that the kites are like colored birds. What he meant to say was they are like colored birds. What he wanted to say that the kites are looking like the colorful birds in the sky, right? The kites have been compared to the birds. The kites are compared to the birds because they are up high in the sky, because they are flying high in the sky. Birds also do fly high in the sky and kites also do fly high in the sky. And that is why they compared the birds and the kites. Okay. The next one, the child wishes to be like air. I wish I were small and as light as air. The child said that I wanted to be very small and as light as air. The child wishes to be light. The child wishes to be light as air. Yani air jitna halka. And the child wishes this to be able to climb. So that if he's that small and if he's so thin and or weightless, he would be able to climb on the sky and fly in the sky. The child wishes to be as light as air. The child wishes this to be able to climb on the kite and fly in the sky. Here we are done with few questions of ours. The remaining questions we'll be doing in the next video. Till then, bye.